Three-axis milling is the machining process of milling the parts in X, Y, and Z directions, and the tool motion is along 1, 2, or 3 axes simultaneously. It is usually a quick and simple process in CamWorks. With CamWorks, we can create three-axis toolpaths through automation and interactive methods. Using the knowledge base that can be captured in the technology database, toolpaths can automatically be inserted based on the features. In CamWorks, we can create three-axis toolpaths using some operation types, such as area clearance, Z-level, flat area, pattern project, constant step over, pencil mill, curve project, etc. We will see these operations in greater detail in this course.